We're outside Parliament, where civil society groups, unions and community organisations have gathered just ahead of Finance Minister Enoch Godongwana's mid-term budget policy statement. The groups are calling for an end to austerity measures and for the government to prioritise people's needs over spending cuts. Let's hear from some of them on exactly what they expect from the budget statement.
So Black Sash is strongly demanding that the social relief of disgrace grant becomes permanent, that all grants be at least above the food poverty line.
Something that's really important is the SRD grant. That grant is currently 370 rand a month for people that are really at rock bottom, not able to access any other grant. Most of them are unemployed. The fact that the Treasury keeps making this grant uncertain, we don't know the future of this grant, is really worrying.
My verwagtinge van die budget is 'n verblyf, 'n goeie verblyf, 'n goeie skool vir ons kinders en 'n goeie speelplek, 'n oop speelplek vir ons kinders. Vir ons kinders is nêrens veilig.